สบายดี Welcome back to Lao 101 channel, the channel that helps you learn Lao by yourself. Let's continue with some vocabularies series. I will focus on putting up more vocabularies, the basic vocabularies first, and then when you know about this word, I will continue with some more basic conversations so that you can mix and match those sentences using the vocabulary that we learned from the beginning.Let's begin. พัก vegetable กะหล่ำ cabbage ผักสลัด salad ใบบัวละพา basil leaf หอมลาบ mint leaf หน่อไม้ bamboo shootผักตังซ้าย celery ผักตังซ้ายหน่อไม้ฝรั่ง asparagus ผักกาดฮองเต้บกชอยผักกาดหนา Chinese kale ผักชี coriander ผักบ้ง morning glory ใบหอมบัว green shallot ใบหอมบัว2 มัด is the classified word for the bunch, so then this one is 2 bunches of the green shallot. ใบหอมบัว2 มัดขิง ginger ขมิ้น turmeric เห็ด mushroom That's the end of our lesson today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. This one is full of pictures, so that you can learn and look at the same time, because if only the word we might not totally understand about the picture, the correct wording for the vegetable that we study. So this one is quite visual. I hope you enjoy this, and please let me know any comments for improvement. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. Thank you. Until next time.